An old man had 3 sons who always argued. 老人有3个儿子，他们总是争吵。He asked them to bring a thick bundle of sticks tied together. 他叫他们去取一束紧绑在一起的粗棍子。The father gave the bundle to each son and said, "Try to break it." 父亲把这束交给每个儿子说，试着折断它。Each son pulled hard, but the bundle would not snap. 每个儿子用力拉，却发现树根本打不开。Then the old man untied the sticks and handed 1 stick to each boy. 然后老人解开绳子，给每个孩子一根棍子。He told them, "Now try to break this single stick." 他对他们说，现在试着折断这根单棍。The sons easily snapped their sticks with a quick snap. 儿子们轻轻一掰，就把棍子折成2段。The father smiled and said, "See how strong you are together." 父亲笑着说，看，你们团结时多么强大。When they were united like the bundle, no one could break them. 当他们像树一样在一起时，没人能把他们打碎。But if they split apart, even a little force can snap them. 但如果分开，就算小力也能把它们折断。